making you a movie because you're great. Harry's hiding. Meh. Where are you going?
I just fell. What's wrong? Oh God. It's recording. Oh God, what did we say? Oh God.
Hey!
Dang it, didn't put a line. Now let's do it. Dang it. Oh my.
Love you well.
Getting fucked up.
Do you really not have anything to tell him? Why are we making him a video?
I said just wing it. Look, we've been winging it for over a minute. We're watching you. We're eating chocolate. Becky, it's just your jaw.
Oh!
I'll go get you some aspirin.
Hi, you're beautiful. I love you, big brother.
We can't say he's beautiful. We're his brother and sister.
You're beautiful, Harry.
You're ruining the moment.
Oh my god.
We're still watching you.
His voice is cracking. Oh!
How is that cute?
He's gonna be a man someday.
Becky,
Make a
it's
man
pronounced
out
Heracles.
of you.
It's pronounced Heracles.
Hercules.
That's Latin. Heracles is the Greek.
It's Hercules. I wish I recorded that. Oh.
Idiot. I mean, idiot.
You didn't do a very good job at coughing that.
Tommy.
You're stupid. What is going on?
I don't know. We winged it before, so we can wing it.
Your voice cracking.
See when we can wing it.
We're not even in the camera, wait. Sophie tried to eat Simba the other day.
What has she not tried to eat?
Oh. She has not tried to eat.
I'm having a bit of trouble thinking of this. These like things get to sing. They get arrested for singing and disturbing the public because he's singing. And the police post in the place that he is really sucked.
This is Harry's best friend. You look like you're crying. Are you crying?
No.
Oh, why are you crying? Oh my god! Don't let her in here! Oh no! Get her out! Get her out! Get her out! Get her out! Sophie came in my room and I have chocolate on my bed. Hey, that is my sock.
Why would you talk on the bed?
Because everything is on my bed.
Beep.
Oh my god!
I think I just did
It
the
hurts
word
so
that.
bad. I'm done with you.